Hello, myself Nikhil Singh. My topic is research design. Research design. What is research design? Research design is a set of advanced decisions that make up master plans specifying in the method and procedure for collecting and analyzing the needed information. Why is research design important? Good research design is the first rule of good research. Knowledge of the needed research design allow advanced planning so that the project may be conducted in less time and typically at the cost saving due to efficiency gained in the pre-planning. Objective of research designing. Objective is to gain background information and to develop hypotheses to measure the state of variable of interest. The test hypothesis that specify the relationship between two or more variable. Users of exploratory research gain background information, define terms, clarify problem and hypotheses, establish research priorities. Exploratory research method. Secondary data analysis. The process of searching for interpreting existing information relevant to research topic. Experience survey. Research to gather information from those too knowledgeable and issue relevant to the research problem. Uh, Key information technique. Key information technique gathers information from those through to be knowledgeable and issue relevant to the problem. Lead user survey used to acquire information from lead user of new technologies. Descriptive researches. Descriptive research is undertaken to describe answer to question of who, what, where, when, and how. This is desirable when we wish to project a study finding to large population if the study sample is prospective. Cross-sectional study and longitudinal study. Descriptive research study, the cross-sectional study measured unit from the sample of population at only one point in time. Sample survey are cross-sectional study whose sample are drawn in such a way as the representative of specific population. These study are usually presented with a margin of errors. Longitudinal study repeatedly measure the same sample unit of population over time. Since they involve multiple measurement over time, they are often described as movies of populations. Casual research includes causality may be thoughts of as understanding a phenomenon in terms of condition statement of the form if x then y. Causal relationships are often determined by use of experiments. Uh, Independent variable. Independent variable are those variables that the researchers has control over the wish to manipulate 4Ps. Examples are level of ad expenditure, types of ad appeals, display location, method of compensation, salesperson, price and types of products. Dependent variables. Dependent variables are those variables that we have little or no direct control over but a strong interest in charge. Extraneous variable are those variables that may have some effect on dependent variable yet are not independent variable. Experimental design is a procedure for devising a experimental setting such that a change in difference variable may be attributed solely to change in the independent variable. A true experimental design isolates the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable while controlling of the effect of any extraneous variable. Quasi experimental design ones that do not properly control for the effect of extraneous variable on our dependent variable. Experimental design before after with control group design may be achieved by random dividing subject of experiment into two groups, the control groups, the experimental group. Experimental design control group, the control of extraneous variable typically achieved by use of a second group of subject. Experimental group, the group that has been exposed to change in the independent variable. Types of experiment. Laboratory experiments are those in which the independent variable is manipulated and measure of dependent variable are taken in conveyed artificial setting for purpose of controlling may possible extraneous variable that may affect the dependent variable. Types of experiment includes a field experiment are those in which the independent variable are manipulated and measurements of the dependent variable are made of test unit and natural setting. Test marketing. Test marketing is a phrase commonly used to indicate an experimental study or test that is conducted in the field setting. Main use of test market to test sale potential for a new product, to test variation of manufacture mix for a product or services. Type of test market. The standard test market is one in which the firm tests the product or marketing mix variable through the company normal distribution channel. Control test market are conducted by outside research firm that guarantee distribution of product through prescribed type of number of distributors. Selected text market city. There are three main criteria: representative, degree of isolations, ability to control distribution, and priority. Advantages of test marketing. Test marketing is the most accurate way of projecting future sales, and it allow company to test marketing mix element in advance. Disadvantage of test marketing do not allow procedure accurate outcome. Competitors may try to subrogate test markets or purpose the product in exposed to competition in test market. The test market may create ethical problem.